Hey, welcome to Beaver Moutain Works. Glad you're here. Hey, I'm sure glad you subscribed there and rang that bell so you know when we get these new videos and everything out. Yeah. Oh, what do we do? Well, we do custom leather work, and we do some woodworking, and some, we have blacksmith forge and things like that, and we make some other items. But mainly what we're doing is we're manufacturing practical items that you need, that you're looking for, not the stuff that you, when you walk in the store and they're trying to sell you what they think you need, but what you actually need. So if you look at some of the videos we have, you'll see different products that people came to us, and we use our motto, you dream it, we make it. I think you can see that back over my right shoulder here. And on those products that we do make, you're going to see the Graham Howard beaver. My good, sorely departed friend, Graham Howard, made that beaver for me, for my logo, for my company, and we've been using it ever since he gave it to me. If you don't see that, and the words Beaver Moutain Works, handmade in Canada, then you ain't got an original product. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to make these unique items, these things you need when you're in the bush, when you're out there in the woods, when you're out there doing practical things that you love to do, your type of lifestyle. And you need a specific item that's going to work for you the way you need it to. That's why you come to us. And we're going to produce that for you. I'm sure hoping that we can build up a good friendship and a partnership. And if you subscribe, you'll get more of these here videos. But at the end of the day, partner, we thank you for coming. Y'all take care now.